Imagine going to sleep in a peaceful village. No war, no storm, no warning. Everything seems completely normal. But when the sun rises the next morning, thousands of people are gone. No one hears screams. No one sees an attack. And the strangest part? The killer wasn't a person. It was a lake. This is the terrifying true story of Lake Nyos, a beautiful lake hidden among the mountains of Cameroon in Africa. At first glance, Lake Nyos looks completely harmless. Its calm waters reflect the sky. The surrounding landscape is breathtaking. Nothing about it seems dangerous. But beneath the surface, a deadly secret was waiting. On the night of August 21, 1986, something unimaginable happened. Without warning, the lake suddenly released a massive cloud of gas. Nearby villagers had no idea what was coming. There was no explosion, no loud noise, no visible threat. Just an invisible cloud slowly moving across the land. As it spread through the valleys, people and animals began collapsing where they stood. Many never woke up again. By sunrise, entire villages had fallen silent. More than 1,700 people had lost their lives. Thousands of animals also died. When survivors finally woke up, they were met with a scene they could hardly believe. No birds singing, no livestock moving, no sounds at all. Only silence. And nobody knew what had happened.
As news of the disaster spread, scientists rushed to investigate. At first, many theories emerged. Some believed it was a chemical attack. Others thought it might have been a volcanic eruption. A few even suspected something supernatural. But the truth turned out to be even stranger. Deep beneath Lake Nyos lies volcanic activity. For years, carbon dioxide gas had been slowly leaking from underground into the lake. The deep waters trapped enormous amounts of this gas. Little by little, the pressure continued building. Then, something triggered a catastrophic release. Scientists believe a landslide or sudden disturbance may have caused the lake to erupt. But this wasn't an eruption of lava. It was an eruption of gas. A gigantic bubble of carbon dioxide burst from the depths and rushed to the surface. Within minutes, millions of cubic meters of gas escaped into the air. Because carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, it didn't rise into the sky. Instead, it flowed along the ground like an invisible river. The gas spread through nearby valleys and villages. People couldn't see it. They couldn't smell it. And most never realized the danger until it was too late. Lake Nyos had become one of the deadliest lakes on Earth.
After discovering the cause of the disaster, scientists faced a critical question. Could it happen again? The answer was terrifying. Yes. Large amounts of carbon dioxide were still trapped beneath the lake. If another release occurred, thousands more lives could be at risk. Scientists knew they had to act. Engineers developed a unique solution. Special pipes were installed deep inside Lake Nyos. These pipes slowly release trapped gas from the bottom of the lake before dangerous pressure can build up. Today, the system continues to operate and reduce the risk of another disaster. The lake is constantly monitored by experts. What happened at Lake Nyos remains one of the strangest natural disasters in human history. A peaceful lake, a quiet night, and an invisible killer hidden beneath the water. It reminds us that nature doesn't always look dangerous. Sometimes the greatest threats are the ones we cannot see. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Fact Frontier for more unbelievable mysteries, strange disasters, and true stories that prove reality is often stranger than fiction.